Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. One of our subscriber tells that he needs to earn a lot of money. Give me some tips what to do so that I will be having abundant money, he tells. Then I thought, okay, we will discuss today how we will have a lot of money. You are knowing, in this world, we are having abundance of riches. A lot of money is there. Then what we have to do? We should be able to attract that money towards us. We should not run after money. Money should come after us. Then what to do for that? See, simple example I will tell you. If you love a baby, or even if you love a cat or dog, what happens? Naturally, it comes after you. In the same way, we too should love money. Never say money is bad, money is this and that. No, money is good. Because of money, I can give jobs to so many people. Because of money, I can buy books, I can give good education to my son. So, always think about the good side of money. And be grateful for inflow of money. Whenever you get money, it can be your salary, it can be from your rent, or it can be as a dividend, whatever it is. Whenever there is any inflow of money, let it be the amount small or big, be grateful. Thank the universe for blessing you with that money. Next is recognize how lucky you are. God has given you a lot money. You are fortunate. Always have the idea that I am lucky. I am having a lot of money. And you should focus on value when you buy anything. Don't say I have spent such much, I paid this much. Suppose you bought a AC. Don't say I paid this much amount. No. Say that thank God, because I was having money. My money gave me this comfort, though it is too hot outside. In my room, I am very cool, because money has provided me this thing. So whenever you buy anything, don't calculate, I have paid this much, I have departed with this much amount. No. Always focus on the value, what you got. No doubt you might have paid 1 crore of rupees and bought a nice house. Be thankful, because I had money, I am able to buy this house. So, focus on values. Then, feel good about paying anything. Let it be toll, let it be, road tax, or let it be income tax, whatever it is. Or fees of your children. Feel good, because I am able to pay this. I am able to get such beautiful, nice roads. Then you are knowing, I told you, we are having a lot, abundance of money supply in the universe. So whenever you are doing your meditation, what you have to do is, you should connect with the universe. And you may ask me, in which language universe speaks? No, it doesn't have any language, only ideas it is having. Next, very important thing is bless and thank those people who help you. It might be your driver, it can be the man who works on the lift, it can be the boy who supplies petrol, whoever it is. It can be your maid servant. Otherwise, what we people say, we say, what is in that? I pay for that. No. Thank them for their services and bless them. And timely payment of the bills is a must. Let it be milk bill, let it be paper bill, whatever it is. We should pay the bills right in time. And one very, very important thing is we should keep on improving ourselves. Whatever you are doing, wherever you are working, we have to, because value should be added to our work. We should love the work we are doing, and we should be thankful to God for providing us all that. So keep on adding values. It will help you a lot. And always have the idea that I am having a lot, I am happy, I am rich enough, I am having plenty, I am having in abundance. This thinking of having in plenty is very, very important. And the next thing is, we should always keep some cash with us. Otherwise, nowadays, you are knowing, we are living in the digital world. We are having phone pay and all. There are many youngsters who never keep even a single rupee in their wallet. Don't do like that. Always we should be in touch with the money in physical form. So at least some amount, let it be small amount, doesn't matter. Keep it in physical form, because you should be always in touch. And your mind should be very, very cool, calm, quiet. And have satisfaction. Have gratitude. Gratitude is very, very important. Be grateful to God. Don't have any, what I tell you, bad things in your mind. Always be thankful to God for providing you all the best things in the world. And if you are grateful to God or to nature, whatever it is, you see that no need to go after money. Money will come to you. Whatever work you are doing, with that work, or whatever you love to do, you will be starting that. So inflow will keep on increasing. And whenever there is inflow of money, be grateful to God. Thank God. And be always satisfied, happy, grateful, thankful. And if we follow this method, you see, you will be blessed with abundant money. You will never face any shortage at all. Thankful to everyone, to nature. Even when your mother serves you food, be thankful to her. Otherwise, don't be under the impression, what is that? It is our duty. No. Be thankful. And this your nature of behavior and love your work, whatever you are doing, it will bless you with abundance. Have a nice day.